I do. Nothing more. Anywho.
Can you like spam fire all 5 times and we'll see what happens? Like
Yeah, no, let's not. For people, so that people's computers don't die.
Now you should end with that. The grand finale.
The grand finale of making people's computer absolutely lag the hell out.
The firework.
Mine is already lagging.
What is it? Yeah, just hit fire.
I turned down my render distance, and now it's not lagging anymore.
I am going to fire the garden mower.
I'm trying to find a song to play, but I don't know what to play.
I think I got just a thing.
Non-copyright music.
Hey, you can play copyrighted music if you want to.
Yeah, I just did. So, yeah.
So yeah, now that just literally opens up the doors to just hit fire all just.
I don't know.
Oh, that's just doing.
Just so that we don't have to operate a. Dude, I hate when books close when you click stuff. Oh, yeah. I am not firing enough roof ones. Let's see, where is Orbis? There it is. A-T colon paste enter.